Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix voice and video call not working on Android. If your voice or video calls are not working on your Android device, what you have to do is first of all try to restart your mobile, and after restarting your mobile your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, just open up the settings, and after opening your settings you have to search for apps, and after searching for apps, now you have to choose an app which is not allowing you to make voice or video calls on your device. So suppose WhatsApp is not allowing me to make video calls or calls on my device. What you have to do is just tap on storage and cache and try to clear your cache and your storage. And after doing that your problems might be fixed, and even that doesn't fix your problem, what you have to do is just come back, tap on permissions, what you have allowed your application to access and not to access. So there might be calls and cameras, you just have to allow those. And after allowing those options your problem might be fixed, and this is how to fix video and video calls not working on your Android device. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.